Hey guys, how are you? In this video, we gonna talk about 5 coolest gadgets that are available on Amazon. Link in the description if you want to buy that product. Number 5. OBSBOT tiny powered webcam. This tiny powered webcam uses deep learning neural networks to achieve AI tracking with out of frame. It always keeps stable and smooth, tracking the person in the center of the video frame. This tiny camera has first of the kind implementation of gesture control in AI webcam, empowering users to access a series of functions such as select, cancel, tracking target, zoom in and out, natural simple gesture. No need to press the button or interrupt your flow. Number 4. Airtory Air Purifier. Fully charged, available for 5 hours. It has vacuum so it can be used anywhere with a baby, such as a stroller, a baby bed, or a car. Only safe and proven physical filtration method was used, because this product is used near the baby. Although it is a small size air purifier, it has increased filtration performance by producing a strong wind from dual motors, safe for the family. Can make pleasant air in a stroller. Number 3. Electric jar opener. Clear built-in magnet ensures the lid stays put so edge will not hurt your hand. Open a wide variety of jar size made up of stronger internal material. Make sure it is durable. No twisting, no pulling, no pan. Best kitchen tool for women and everyone. Number 4. imagiLabs imagiCharm. In-app interactive tutorial, quick feedback loops, and an unmistakable colorful result. And the best part is that all of this done together with like-minded friends. Learn programming in Python, one of the fastest growing programming language in the world. Number 1. Parrot Anafi FV drone set. This drone test fly drones as you if you wear it. The FV kit is designed to provide you with the breathtaking, impressive flight experience. The importable propellant 3 goggles are connected to the drone camera and plugs you directly into the heart of the action of your own. Added reviews in full HD streaming, comfortable and ultra compact. The goggles are compatible with smartphones screen size between 4 to 7 and 5 to 5 inches. Powerful and compact. So these are the today's 5 coolest gadgets. Which gadget you like most? Comment below. And if you want to buy any gadget, link in the description. Buy that product.